Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. I have both the rat rigs pretty well finished with the mod, the 3.1 upgrade. And we've got the lights on both of them, a camera working on both of them. Printed some cable clips to keep the wiring out of the way. This one's printing some tokens. I'll show you in just a second what those look like. This one's not printing right now, and this one's printing a drill bit holder. That's one of the things I wanted to show you. It's something I really like about 3D printing is that I've printed this design quite a while ago, and it didn't have a bottom on it, so the drill bits just fell right out. So I modified it slightly in Tinkercad so that they would have a bottom, but they're just a little too tight. So what I did is I can easily change the program to make it looser. So I did that and it came out too loose, so I'm printing one more to hopefully it'll work just right. Also, I'd had this and I lost it somewhere. It's to measure bolts, metric bolts. You can tell the length by putting one in, and then you can tell the diameter by using the hole. So this one is a 20 millimeter on length, and it's an M4. So this is real handy when you're trying to work on things. This is something I just made, my wife wanted. It's for a dishwasher. So you can just flip it over. When they're clean, you have that down, or when dirty. And I modified the design to put a magnet in it. Originally, we were supposed to use double-sided tape. So I did that. I think it'll be a little bit easier. My wife didn't want double-sided tape on the microwave. Then here's the tokens I'm making. These are for the East Coast REP show. It's a 3D printing show that's coming out. I'm going to be there the 7th of October. So I wanted something like a business card to hand out. Just trying different color combinations, and then I had a couple of failures. And I think what happened on these, the nozzle must have hit a quarter while I was printing it, and it just shifted everything. So it happened a couple of times. I'm going to try to figure out what's going on, but I programmed it so it'll do the bottom color, in this case blue. It'll stop so I can insert the quarter, at the same time change the color of the filament to, in this case, blue and then white. I tried a clear color and orange. That didn't really turn out very well on the contrast. And I've got some black and white, black and red. So I'm just having a lot of fun with these, but I was able to get some 2022 quarters, so I'm real happy about that. Well, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them.